Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook settings and security and selecting two-factor authentication. Make sure your recovery phone and email are current. Once done, install Google Authenticator on your phone and keep it nearby. You will need the browser session for the next step, so stay logged in. Make sure to choose Authentication app as the 2FA method, then click to set up. This immediately displays the QR code or a manual key you'll use to link the app. Once you see the QR code on Facebook, open Google Authenticator and tap Add, then scan a QR code. Align the code inside the frame and wait for the account to appear. If your camera won't scan, select Enter a setup key and type the exact key Facebook provided. After the app shows a 6-digit rotating code, type that code back into Facebook and submit. This links your account. Make sure the device clock is accurate so codes match. You finish by saving Facebook's recovery codes in a secure location and enabling a secondary 2FA method if desired. This protects you if you lose the phone. Once connected, log out and test signing in to verify everything works. If a code is rejected, first make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time. Time drift breaks codes. If that fails, use a saved setup key or recovery code to regain access, and then
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.